Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are safe at your homes and collecting the blessings of Ramadan. It's me, Asma Jahangir from Garrison Academy Junior Campus, Gujranwala, Kent. I welcome you all in OSP Week 5. Before starting our today's lesson, let's have a recap and feedback of our previous topics. In OSP Week 4, we have covered the following topics: life in different ancient civilization, Babylonian and Mesopotamian civilization. You people have done a superb job by submitting your PowerPoint presentations. Today we'll talk about chapter 3, and the topics are totally different from previous ones, as we have to talk about the following topics in the tutorial. Number 1, the dawn of Islam in Arabia, location and antiquity of Arabian Peninsula. And by the end of this tutorial, you people will be able to locate the Arabian Peninsula on the map by defining the term Arabian Peninsula, and outline the social, economic, and political conditions of the Arabs. Before the advent of Islam, which were totally different from the recent situations. The very first topic which we are going to cover is the location and antiquity of Arabia. Just have a look on the map and must remember that the Arabian Peninsula contains the countries of Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Oman, United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, and Iran and Iraq are also included in the peninsula. Here I suggest you that you must be having a word map at your homes for better understanding of the location in history. In the map, you can see the neighboring countries of Saudi Arabia. You must remember that the Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula in the world, covering an area of about 3,023,007,000,000 square kilometers, which lies at the heart of the Middle East region. Yemen, Oman, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates are situated on this peninsula. It is bordered by Jordan, Iraq, and Kuwait to the north, Red Sea to the west, Gulf of Aden to the south, and the Persian Gulf to the east. You must be thinking, what is Gulf? Here's your answer. Gulf means a deep inlet of the sea almost surrounded by land with a narrow mouth. Okay, moving ahead towards our next topic, that is the condition of Arabia before the advent of Islam. Arabian society was called the society of Bedouins. Mostly people were living on the barren land of deserts in tribes. Their profession was trading, and they traded and traveled on camels. If we talk about their religion, they were polytheist by religion, which means worshipping of more than one god at a time, but they also believed in Allah. The Bedouins of Arabia were weakened by constant fighting of clans and tribes. If we talk about the families of Arabia, the women of Arabia enjoyed greater freedom than that of Byzantine and Persian women. They were having key economic values. They do not used to wear veils, but the thing is, they were not considered equal to men. In Arabian society, arts were not highly developed. I hope both topics are clear now. Kindly note down your assignments. You have to research on internet and find more information about the Arabian Peninsula. You will write important points on a notepad or a booklet and then submit your given task. This is all for today, but must watch tutorial 2 in which we will discuss about the Prophet as Messenger of Allah, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, revelation of the divine message of Allah Almighty, the early days of Islam and first Islamic state. This is all for today. Remember me in your prayers and have a blessed month of Ramadan. Thank you so much. Fi amanillah.